Who is known as Milkman of India? Answer: Verghese Kurian. Who is the author of Arthashastra? Answer: Chanakya Kautilya. Who wrote Gitanjali? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Answer: Dada Saheb Phalke. Which is the largest state of India by population? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which is the smallest state of India by population? Answer: Sikkim. Which is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga. The national animal of India is? Answer: Tiger. The national bird of India is? Answer: Peacock. The national flower of India is? Answer: Lotus. The national tree of India is? Answer: Banyan. The national fruit of India is? Answer: Mango. The Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. The Indian national song Vande Mataram was written by? Answer: Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Which day is observed as Indian Republic Day? Answer: 26 January. Which day is observed as Indian Independence Day? Answer: 15 August. Which day is observed as Gandhi Jayanti? Answer: 2 October. Which day is observed as Children's Day in India? Answer: 14th November. Who was the first Education Minister of India? Answer: Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was the first Defence Minister of India? Answer: Baldev Singh. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Patel. Who was the first Law Minister of India? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who was the first women governor of an Indian state? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first women Chief Minister of India state? Answer: Suchita Kriplani. Who was the first women Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Meera Kumar. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Answer: Harilal J. Kanya. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Answer: Punjab. Which Indian state is called God's own country? Answer: Kerala. Which Indian state is called the Tea Garden of India? Answer: Assam. Which Indian state is called the land of rising sun? Answer Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian city is called the city of lakes? Answer Udaipur. Which Indian city is called the city of Nawab? Answer Lucknow. Which Indian city is called the Diamond City? Answer Surat. Which Indian city is called the city of temples? Answer Bhubaneswar. Which Indian city is called the city of festivals? Answer Madurai. Which Indian city is called the financial capital of India? Answer Mumbai. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer Mars. Who is known as the father of the internet? Answer Vint Cerf. Light travels fastest in. Answer vacuum. The hardest natural substance is. Answer diamond. Who invented the telephone? Answer Alexander Graham Bell. Which gas is essential for breathing? Answer oxygen. The first artificial satellite was. Answer Sputnik 1. The SI unit of force is. Answer Newton. The study of earthquakes is called. Answer seismology. Which vitamin is produced in the skin by sunlight? Answer vitamin D. The largest planet in our solar system is. Answer Jupiter. DNA stands for. Answer deoxyribonucleic acid. The fastest land animal is. Answer cheetah. The largest organ in the human body is. Answer skin. The process by which planets make their food is. Answer photosynthesis. The scientist who proposed the theory of relativity. Answer Albert Einstein.